Alam mo, bawat padala, bawat putol-putol na video call, bawat birthday na hindi ka kasama, lahat yan may iisang dahilan lang, yung pangarap. Isang pangarap na bigyan sila ng mas magandang bukas. At yan yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng lakas para magpatuloy.
3 taon? 5? Baka 10 na. Ilang Pasko na nga ba ang dumaan na malayo ka sa kanila? Andyan palagi yung lungkot, yung pagod, pero alam mo kung ano ang pinakamatinding kalaban? Yung takot. Yung takot na baka sa kabila ng lahat ng paghihirap mo, hindi pa rin pala sapat. Na ang perang dugot pawis mo, parang hindi naman lumalago para sa'yo. Pero wag mong kalimutan, itong sakripisyo mo, ito yung pundasyon. Ito ang magiging pader ng pangarap mong bahay. Ito ang pambayad sa eskwela ng mga anak mo. Ito ang magbibigay ng komportableng buhay sa mga magulang mo. Kasi yung kwento ng sakripisyo mo, yan din ang kwento ng bawat OFW na lumalaban. Just imagine this, habang tulog ka, habang nasa trabaho, habang iniisip mo sila, may isang parte ng pinaghirapan mo na gumagalaw on its own, lumalago at naghahanda para sa araw ng pag-uwi mo. Sounds impossible, right? Pero posible to. Halika, let's talk about it. Dito sa section na to, alamin natin kung paano yung ipon mo pwedeng maging silent partner mo. Isang partner na hindi kailanman napapagod, walang day off, walang reklamo. Ano yung sikreto? Well, it's the magic of what we call compound growth. Let's start small. Isipin mo ito bilang isang buto. 10,000 pesos. Siguro, katumbas lang yan ng ilang araw ng pagod mo. It looks small, pero dito nagsisimula ang lahat. And then, time passes. Kahit wala ka pang dinadagdag, yung buto, nagsisimula ng sumibol. Yung 10,000 mo, kumikita na ng sarili niyang pera. Nagiging 12,000. Ito na yung simula ng paglago. At dito mo makikita the true power of time and consistency. Yung maliit na buto, kapag inalagaan mo ng tuloy-tuloy, pwedeng maging isang napakatatag na puno. Yung pangarap na milyon, biglang hindi na pala imposibleng abutin.
So, ano ba talaga itong compound growth? In simple terms, it's your money making more money for you. Yung interes na kinita ng pera mo, kikita ulit ng sarili niyang interes. It's like a snowball na habang gumugulong, palaki ng palaki.
Okay, so you might be asking, paano ako magsisimula? Well, there are 3 simple keys to unlock this reality. Tara, let's break them down one by one. 3 simpleng hakbang lang, okay? First, padala, sending your hard-earned money home. Second, pondo, placing it in the right investment vehicle. And third, the most exciting part, palago, watching it grow over time.
For step 1, padala, it's super important to choose a service with low fees. Kasi every single dollar na natitipid mo sa remittance fees becomes additional capital for your investment. For example, services like Wise are designed to help you send more of your money home.
Now, your first investment key could be the stock market. When you buy stocks, you literally become a part owner of the biggest companies in the Philippines. Kapag kumita yung company, you have the potential to earn too. And you know what? Platforms like COL Financial make this accessible even for OFWs.
Another powerful key, especially for those who want a more stable option, is the PAG-IBIG MP2. This is a government-backed savings program. Dahil ahensya ng gobyerno ang may hawak, the risk is lower compared to stocks. And the best part, your earnings here are completely tax-free.
But we know the truth, right? In any journey, there are always challenges. Hindi laging straight yung daan. So it's very important that we also talk about the risks so you can protect what you've worked so hard for. Ito yung isang malaking takot ng bawat OFW, currency fluctuation. Yung halaga ng dollar or dirham or real mo, what happens kung biglang bumaba yung value niya pagdating sa peso? Anong magiging epekto niyan sa ipon mo? It's really this simple. Kung malakas ang palitan at 58 pesos yung dollar, mas maraming pesos ang papasok sa investment mo. But kung biglang humina yan at naging 50 pesos na lang, mas koanti. This is a real risk that we need to manage.
You've heard this saying before, and it's especially true when it comes to investing. Ito ang principle of diversification. Spreading your money across different investments para kung bumagsak man ang isa, you still have others to rely on.
So dito na papasok yung solusyon. Remember those keys we talked about? Stocks, MP2, maybe even digital savings. These are your baskets. By putting your money in different places, you are building a stronger, safer financial foundation for your future.
You know, we've talked about numbers, platforms, strategies, pero sa totoo lang, at the end of the day, all of this,
it's not really just about the money, is it?
Ito ay tungkol sa freedom. The freedom to finally choose. The freedom to tell yourself, okay na, pwede na akong umuwi. Umuwi nang hindi na nag-aalala para sa bukas. Umuwi for good.
That's the real question. Bawat piso na ini-invest mo ngayon is one step closer to your family. Isang hakbang papalapit sa araw na hindi mo na kailangan pang sabihin yung salitang goodbye.
Knowledge is power. And now, you have the knowledge to start building the future you dream of. The decision is now in your hands. Please remember, the information here is for educational purposes only. When it comes to major financial decisions, it's always best to consult with a professional financial advisor who can guide you based on your own personal situation. Thanks for tuning in to Silent Wealth. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and strategies to grow your wealth. Hanggang sa muli!